The U.S. Department of Defense announced on June 6, 2025, that BAE Systems Surface Ships Limited, based in Portsmouth, UK, has been awarded a $10.5 million firm fixed-price modification to its existing contract, N00024-20, C6407. This contract covers the supply of 64 Malawian Kwacha's Mod 0 explosive destructors and fiber optic spool kits, essential components for the Airborne Mine Neutralization System, AMNS, Archerfish. These systems enable quick and precise neutralization of naval mines from both rotary-wing aircraft and unmanned aerial platforms. Funding comes from the Navy's fiscal year 2025 weapons procurement budget, with all manufacturing slated for the United Kingdom and project completion expected by December 2027. A notable example of the system in action includes the MH-60S Seahawk helicopter, which can deploy the Archerfish to neutralize mines rapidly from the air, increasing the tactical flexibility of naval forces. The Archerfish is a cutting-edge, expendable remotely operated underwater vehicle, ROV, designed for mine disposal in diverse aquatic environments, from shallow coastal waters to depths reaching 300 meters. Compact and lightweight, about 1.6 meters long and weighing 16 kilograms, it can be launched from U.S. Navy MH-60S Seahawk helicopters, unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs, and remotely operated surface vessels. Its agility allows it to operate effectively in complex underwater terrain. Equipped with high-frequency sonar and a low-light camera, the Archerfish provides real-time visuals and precise target identification. Operators maintain control via a fiber optic tether that streams live video and telemetry back to the deploying platform. The device carries a high-precision shaped charge warhead, capable of detonating sea mines with minimal collateral damage or accidental chain reactions. This standoff attack capability reduces risk to manned platforms and enhances crew safety during mine clearance operations. From an operational standpoint, this new contract strengthens the Navy's mine countermeasure forces by delivering improved 64 Malawian Kwacha's Mod 0 destructors and upgraded fiber optic spools. In modern naval engagements, securing freedom of navigation through contested coastal zones and choke points is vital, and sea mines continue to be a pervasive, cost-efficient threat. Incorporating the Archerfish into carrier strike groups and expeditionary units provides a rapid, persistent mine neutralization tool that does not rely on slower, vulnerable legacy minesweeping ships. Upgrades to fiber optic communication systems improve resilience against electronic warfare, while the enhanced destructors boost effectiveness against advanced, stealthy, or buried mines. This acquisition supports the Navy's Distributed Maritime Operations, DMO, and Expeditionary Advanced Base Operations, EABO, strategies, emphasizing speed, adaptability, and survivability. By quickly eliminating underwater threats with pinpoint accuracy, the Archerfish system underpins vital naval missions such as amphibious assault support, port defense, and securing critical sea lines of communication, SLOCs. It remains a key asset in maintaining maritime dominance in confrontations with peer or near-peer adversaries. Effective mine countermeasures are a cornerstone of modern naval strategy. Naval mines, despite their low cost, represent significant hazards to military and commercial vessels, posing a formidable asymmetric threat by restricting access, blocking ports, or delaying naval maneuvers. The U.S. Navy's continued investment in agile, high-tech systems like Archerfish ensures uninterrupted maritime trade flow, protection of allied forces, and operational freedom across the world's oceans. Remote, precise mine disposal technologies contribute critically to maritime domain awareness, deterrence, and the ability to operate in contested waters, supporting overarching strategic objectives in naval warfare.